Today's tutorial is all about making these patio curtain weights. There are probably more professional ways to do this, but this method has been the most functional and budget friendly for me. I also love that the weights are removable so I can wash the curtains anytime I need. And the fabric I used was left over from a couple of outdoor sewing projects, so it helped me to use up my stash too. This project has two parts, the curtain weights and the curtain pouches. I'll start with the weights, then move on to the pouches. You'll find the timestamps in the description if you want to skip ahead. Let's get right into it. I'll have the supplies listed on the screen if you want to screenshot. First, cut one piece of fabric at 8 inches by 4 inches for each weight. Lay your fabric flat and fold both long edges in by a 1/4 inch. Press them down. This encloses the raw edges and helps everything look neat. Fold the fabric in half with right sides together, lining up the long edges. Sew along both short sides using a 1/4 inch seam allowance, back stitching at the beginning and end. Trim the excess fabric at the edges. Turn the pouch right side out and poke out the corners. Now you should have a little empty pouch. Fill it with your weights. I used about 350 grams of rocks for each one. You can get creative with this, use rocks, washers, marbles, whatever works. I made 2 per curtain panel and that was enough to keep mine from blowing around in the wind. To close the opening, shift the rocks out of the way as best you can, then sew along the edge at a 1/4 inch seam allowance. It can feel awkward at first, but it gets easier with each one you do. And honestly, a zipper foot might make this part easier. I don't own one, but it's something I would consider if I was making these again. The supplies you'll need for the weight pouches are listed on the screen. To make a pouch, cut one piece of fabric on the fold at 8 3/4 inches by 4 3/4 inches with the fabric folded along the longer 8 3/4 inch edge. Fold the fabric right sides together. Sew all the way around using a 1/4 inch seam allowance, but leave a 2 inch gap for turning. Trim the corners and excess fabric, turn the pouch right side out, and poke out the corners. Press the seams flat and fold in the edges at the gap. Sew the gap closed using about a 1/8 inch seam allowance. For some of mine, I just stitched down the entire edge though. Either way works. Pin the pouch to your curtain panel. Sew around the sides and bottom at about an 1/8 inch seam allowance, leaving the top open so you can slide the weight in and out. Take your time here, make sure the curtain stays smooth and flat as you sew. I was moving so slowly on the first one, even though you can't tell in the sped up footage, but by the last few panels, I was flying through them. And that's all there is to it. This was such a simple and effective solution, and I'm really happy with how they turned out. I have a couple more patio sewing projects coming up soon, so if you're interested, stay tuned. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please consider subscribing if you enjoy sewing content and budget-friendly DIYs. I always love hearing from you guys, so drop some comments if you have any. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.